Now we're going to work on medication administration questions. And let's start with this one. If an infant weighs 3,409 grams at birth, you to tell the mother that her baby weighs how many pounds and ounces? Alright, well, there isn't a direct conversion going from grams to pounds and ounces, but we do know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. And we also know that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Okay, so let's use those two pieces. So let's take our 3,409 gram baby and we want to put our grams. We want to get rid of grams, and we're going to we want to convert that to kilograms. So for every 1 kilogram, there's 1,000 grams. We're going to go ahead and use this second conversion because we know that in 1 kilogram, for every 1 kilogram, there is 2.2 pounds. Okay, so if we go ahead and cancel our units, these grams cancel, these kilograms cancel, and all that we have left here is pounds. We can go ahead and take our calculator and take 3,409 units and divide that by 1,000. If we move our decimal place over 1, 2, 3, we get 3.409. So this is 3.409 times 2.2 pounds. If we go ahead and calculate that out, we end up with 7.5 pounds. Okay, but our question is asking us for pounds and ounces, so the decimal piece is what we need to convert to ounces, this piece right here. Okay, so we want to take this 0.5 pounds and convert that to ounces. So we're going to put our pounds down on the bottom, our ounces on the top, and for every 1 pound there's 16 ounces, so our pounds go away, and half times 16 is equal to 8, so that's 8 ounces. So you would tell the mother that the baby weighs 7 pounds and 8 ounces. Alright, well, let's try another example. If an infant doubles the 3,000 gram birth weight by the age of 5 months, what would the weight in pounds and ounces? So we have to double this, which means we have to take this and multiply it by 2. So we have, this is going to be 6,000 grams, okay, and the time that it takes to double the weight is irrelevant, so we don't need to take a look at that, but they are asking us to put it in pounds and ounces. So I do know that first I have to convert this to kilograms, so I'm going to put grams down the bottom. There is 1,000 grams per 1 kilogram. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my second conversion because I want to go into pounds. So in 1 kilogram there is 2.2 pounds. Okay, so my grams cancel and my kilograms cancel. Okay, I take 6,000 and divide it by 1,000, and I get 6. 6 times 2 is 13.2 pounds. Now they're asking me in ounces, so I take the decimal part, okay, and now I'm going to convert that to ounces. Okay, so I'm going to take my 0.2 and this is in pounds. I'm going to multiply it by my conversion factor. For every 1 pound, there is 16 ounces. My pounds go away, and 0.2 times 16 is 3.2 ounces. So this infant has doubled its birth weight, and it now weighs 13 pounds, 3.2 ounces. Okay, let's try another example. Zithromax 800 milligrams per day is ordered. The drug book states a maximum of 12 milligrams per kilogram per day. The patient weighs 146 pounds. Is this a safe dose? Okay, well, we have our weight is in pounds. We need to convert that to kilograms. So we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Okay, so let's take the patient's weight, 146 pounds. All right, and let's convert that to kilograms. Okay, so there's 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. That's this equivalent to 66.36 kilograms. Okay. Now, the drug book states that it's a maximum of 12 milligrams per kilogram per day. So this is what the patient weighs in kilograms. So we're going to go ahead and multiply that by 12 milligrams. Okay. When we multiply that, that gives us 796.4 milligrams. Okay. Is this a safe dose? This 796.4 is the maximum dosage. Zithromax has been ordered at 800 milligrams per day, which means what has been ordered exceeds the maximum dosage per day. So no, this is not a safe dose. Now let's take a look at another example. Roxifen 500 milligrams IV is ordered. Concentration of 750 milligrams per 5 milligrams is reached using a 3 milliliter of diluent. How many milliliters will be given? Okay, so we know that we have the drug on hand is 750 milligrams divided by what's available is 5 milliliters. Okay, we set this equal to what the doctor has ordered. He has ordered 500 milligrams, and we want to find out how much are we going to give. So we're going to let that equal to x. We're going to cross multiply. So we have 750 milligrams times x is equal to 5 milliliters times 500 milligrams. We'll divide both sides by 750 milligrams. Okay. These reduce. We're left with x, which is the amount that we're going to give. The milligrams reduce. This becomes 2,500 milliliters divided by 750, which gives us 3.3333 milliliters, which is equal to 3.3 milliliters. Now let's take a look at another example. Chloral hydrate syrup, 1,000 milligrams PO divided into 4 doses is ordered. It is available as 0.5 grams per 5 milliliters. How many milliliters per dose? Okay, so we notice here that this is in, we have milligrams, we have grams, we have milliliters. Okay, so, well, let's see. If we have, if we have on hand 0.5 grams per 5 mLs is equal to the doctor ordered 1,000 milligrams, and we need to figure out what are we going to give per dose, how many mLs. Okay, well, we see that milligram, we're going to have to convert this milligrams to grams. Okay, well, the conversion factor, we know that 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. Okay, so we can just rewrite this with grams. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this whole proportion. 5 mLs is equal to 1 gram over, we're trying to find what x is. Okay, we're going to do our cross multiplication. Okay, so we have 0.5 grams times what we're trying to find, how much we're going to give, times is equal to 1 gram times 5 milliliters. Okay, so x is going to equal to 1 gram times 5 milliliters divided by 0.5 grams. Okay, I'm going to complete my work right over here. So we're going to have x is equal to, well, our grams go away. So we have 5 milliliters divided by 0.5. Okay, well, this is equal to 10 mLs. Now, this is 10 mLs for the entire order. However, the question is asking us per dose. Okay, so we have to take this and divide this by 4, and we get 2.5 mLs. So this is how many mLs per dose